Hello, welcome to my study notebook. Today we are going to solve another problem of geometry. Now here in the picture you can see that a triangle is inscribed inside a circle, and in the question it says that a triangle is inscribed within a circle if the area of the circle is 36 pi and angle BAC is 90 degree. What is the value of the length BC? So according to the information given, one information is area of circle, which is usually demonstrated by the equation pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle, is given as 36 pi. So from here we can cross out pi from both sides and we can get r as 6. So for the circle the radius is 6 unit. It also says that for the triangle inscribed, angle BAC is 90 degree. So we know that if a triangle inscribed within a circle is right angle or has 90 degree, then one of its arm is the diameter. So in this case BC obviously is the diameter, and therefore since we are asked to find the value of BC, we know that since its diameter it's 2 times the radius, so it will be 12. So here the answer would be B. Now remember one thing, we knew that this is a right angle triangle, but if it wasn't the case and we didn't know that what angle or what type of triangle it is, then we couldn't have concluded that BC is the largest chord or the diameter. In that case we would require some external information to understand or calculate the value of BC, or in this case the math would be that the result cannot be determined. So even though the image looks like it's a right angle triangle, don't believe the image unless that information is given in the problem statement itself.